AIItem solution is AIItem's complete portfolio for intelligent warehouse execution. It brings together automation equipment, warehouse software, AI intelligence, field operations, and lifecycle support, so customers can solve operational challenges with one connected solution partner. The portfolio covers the warehouse flow from planning to execution. It includes WMS, YMS, WES, AI, robotics, IoT, and support, along with GIS visibility, robotic unloading, transload, palletizing, AMRs, shuttle systems, autonomous forklifts, picking, sorting, Vision Pro, packing, and labeling. GIS gives logistics and operations teams a map-based view of the network. Facilities, yards, routes, and operating status become easier to understand in context, helping planners see where work is happening, where exceptions are forming, and how site-level decisions affect the broader operation. Before goods enter the warehouse, YMS automation helps coordinate yard work. Appointment scheduling, trailer movement, dock activity, and live yard status are connected in one workflow, creating a clearer handoff between transportation, yard operations, and warehouse receiving. At inbound receiving, robotic unloading systems use robotic arms to pick cartons from trailers or containers and connect the flow to conveyors and downstream handling. This reduces heavy manual work, improves receiving consistency, and keeps the inbound process moving. Robotic palletizing automates a repetitive and physically demanding process. Robotic arms pick and place cartons according to size, weight, and pallet pattern, helping teams build stable pallets for inbound put-away, outbound shipping, or production support. For transload operations, AIItem Solutions supports the movement of goods between inbound containers, staging areas, and outbound transportation. By combining physical flow with operational visibility, cross-dock and transfer work can stay synchronized across people, equipment, and schedules. Forkless pallet AMRs create a more flexible material flow for pallet movement. They can move pallets between storage, staging, production, and shipping areas, reducing manual forklift travel while improving route consistency and operational safety. For high-density storage, the four-way shuttle system moves goods in multiple directions inside the rack structure. It helps warehouses improve space utilization, automate put-away and retrieval, and connect dense storage with the rest of the execution workflow. In very narrow aisle operations, VFR, or very narrow aisle forklift robots, support precise pallet handling in high rack storage areas. They reduce the need for manual driving in constrained aisles and help increase consistency in storage and replenishment tasks. For order fulfillment, AIItem Solutions supports multiple picking models. AMR rack-to-person workflows bring inventory to operators. Pick-to-light guides fast and accurate picking. And AirRob picking extends automation into more complex item handling scenarios. Sorting automation helps outbound operations handle high-frequency parcel and tote flows. Intelligent sorting robots route items by destination order wave or business rule, reducing manual decision-making and helping shipments move through the warehouse with fewer delays. Inventory count AMRs improve stock visibility without depending only on manual cycle counts. They travel through warehouse aisles, scan rack locations, and capture inventory data, helping teams increase count frequency, reduce blind spots, and maintain more reliable inventory status. AI cameras and inspection robots add a monitoring layer across the operation. Camera AI can detect exceptions, safety risks, and process deviations, while inspection robots patrol key areas and support remote response, helping teams find issues earlier. Vision Pro plus smart glasses expands AIItem solution beyond fixed automation. Picking guidance helps operators find the right location and package. Task confirmation verifies scans and updates the workflow. Shipping workflow connects packing label check, staging, and shipping. When a label needs review, smart glasses brings remote guidance into the workflow. Mentra Live helps remote teams see what operators see. Powered by Mentra OS, guidance stays hands-free, so operators can resolve issues with better context. At the packing station, AI packing camera captures the work as it happens. First, it records operator actions and carton contents at the station. Then it supports playback review for error investigation, SOP compliance, performance analysis, and customer service traceability. This helps teams investigate issues faster and reduce claims. Automated packing and labeling keeps outbound cartons moving with less manual touch. First, cartons move through automated sealing and packing flow. Then labels are applied consistently and connected to buffer conveyors, helping the outbound process run more continuously and with better shipping consistency. At the system layer, AIItem WES is the orchestration core for warehouse execution. It connects upstream systems such as WMS, OMS, and ERP with operators, robots, AGVs, AI cameras, and IoT devices, then coordinates order orchestration, resource optimization, task scheduling, and real-time monitoring. After execution orchestration, the AI layer turns operational data into intelligent action. AIItem Solution AI connects business inputs, knowledge models, agent workflows, and execution systems. So forecasting, planning, picking, packing, delivery, and customer service can continuously improve. AIItem Solution support covers the full lifecycle, from consultation, planning, and design to implementation, testing, go-live handover, and ongoing support. The goal is to help customers adopt the right solution, operate it with confidence, and keep improving over time. AIItem Solution powers smarter warehouse operations, from insight to execution, across robotics, software, AI, and support.